questions.
Ako na from right dito.
Father of the house. Father
Hindi ako
of the
makikita dyan.
Hindi ba? Nakikita ka. Okay.
Okay. Today is,
Hindi.
ano?
Ano na yan? Actual day na to.
Ha?
Okay.
Actually,
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ira. Happy birthday, dear Ira. Happy birthday to you.
Daddy first.
okay. I was the liturgist during our Sunday service this morning, today. And I had the privilege to announce that it will be the birthday of my daughter-in-law in Dubai, who will be delivering our second grandchild. So, in behalf of the whole Houston Trinity United Methodist Church, I am greeting you, Ira, a very happy birthday. We hope that you will be happy, more joys, more years, more good health, and more prosperity from now on. And we look forward to your uneventful and very safe pregnancy and also delivery of our second apo. The first naig, yan. So, ingatan mo yan. We are very proud of you and your baby. Okay? O, sino susunod?
Hi, Ira. Ilang taon ka na niyan?
Bata pa.
Bata ka pa, 27. 27? And I've been, I have known you for a long time, and you were never been, you have been my daughter since then. So, I hope your stay or your being one of the family members will always be a happy and enjoyable, and what else can I say? You feel comfortable being with us, and we love you very much. Take care of yourself as well as the baby, and that will be the first naig of the family. So, we will be hoping for a handsome baby.
Ganito ba? Ganito.
Ganyan daw sabi ni Daddy. A handsome baby boy, and if ever beautiful girl,
Boy yan, boy. Naig yan, boy.
magiging apple daw ang kamukha. May angal ka nun, no, di ba? Ay, mas maganda, magiging kamukha namin ng mama mo. Okay? So, whatever it is, for as long as the baby is healthy, complete, and no complications, baby is most welcome. We're so excited for the baby, and we are so happy that you have reached this age again, and I hope both Chris and you are having a wonderful relationship and happiness together. More years for you and more babies to come. We love you very much. See you by June. Okay? Or July. So, mag-ingatan mo sarili mo. Okay? Si JR naman.
Cut! Panoorin po niyo yung CD namin.
Dito po CD
Vlog po namin yung CD namin. Out na po siya sa market. Ate Ira, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. And, ano ba masasabi ko? Mag-iingat ka palagi at saka okay lang utos-utusan mo si Kuya. Malakas naman yan. Kapag basta pahinga ka palagi at saka pinagpe-pray ka namin palagi. Sana maging safe ka palagi at saka think of happy thoughts all the time para okay ang iyong pagpapanganak. At saka excited na kami makita kayo hopefully this year. And I believe na plano ni Lord din na magkita-kita tayo anywhere. So, let's just...
No, most likely in Dubai.
Yeah. in Dubai. So,
Dubai.
huwag kayong malungkot dyan dahil we'll see each other again. Ayun lang. Happy birthday and hello to Dubai Family Bear. Hello!
Oh, yes! Dubai family!
Dubai
Family.
Family. Madlang people! Hello!
LA,
I
LA.
Lily like you.
Dahil ito doon, di ba? Galing
I
tayo,
really
galing
like
doon,
the
di ba?
Marami po
church
yung CD
member.
namin. At Chad Nomar. Ian.
Oh,
Out sa market.
I don't have that much to say besides happy birthday. Many more birthdays to come. Blessings with the baby. Many more babies.
Many more babies. I like that.
Other than that, take care. Take care very well. Hopefully you get to see each other soon this summer. If not, you can come here whenever, as soon as possible. Everyone said everything I wanted to say also. So, happy birthday.
Wala na, nawala na yung Tagalog ng
Happy
kapatid
birthday.
Tsaka kay Kuya Chris. Diyan ka lang, Kuya.
Kuya-
Kuya Chris, saan ka man? Diyan ka na lang.
Diyan ka man.
Sa kawan, diyan ka na lang. Kailangan ka ng baby.
Pagsilbihan mo si Ira. Kasi para hindi siya mahirapan sa pregnancy
Saan ka man,
niya.
anda.
Yeah,
saan ka
ingatan
man
nyo
naroon.
yan, no?
Diyan ka na
Precious
lang.
baby yan. Sana makarating din sila mama mo para magkakasama-sama tayo ulit.
Sama-sama tayo sa June. Labo-labo tayong lahat yan.
Last week of June or first week of July, nandyan na. Yung mga boys medyo mahaba-haba. Na?
Close up. Ayan.
Close up yun, oh.
Basta.
Project.
Project.
Oh my God.
Happy birthday, Ira.
Love you!
Birthday.
Grabe, nakaano, Amerikano.
Huwag lang.
Ah, okay. Basta,
Huwag yung paabot ka sa medya.
okay.
Happy birthday, Ate.
Okay, bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
Love you,
Bye-bye. From Houston, from Kansas.
Happy birthday ulit.
Greetings to all
We have
Dubai family.